tutugan ng kumitigas.
And now, presenting!
Kunin mo yung salamin na malaki.
From Balanga Bataan, is
Alexandra!
Carlos alias Alexandra! Oh! She's on fire! Nasusunog na pala! I love it, boy na babet!
Like the dance together to the moon.
Julius Babaw!
And what's the news?
Boss ay ligat si John, ligat.
My best friend. No, it never came around. If it did, it's never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast. Touching all the words within the meaning of it fast. But God, I muna dahil Ilog matika Ogi ato ika
Speak in English!
Akala ni muna